I could say, in all honesty, sir, there was no quota.
Okay? Now, on the issue of quota, sabi po ninyo, wala pong quota. Would that be correct? Yun po yung second issue ni Honorable Barbers eh.
Mr. Chair, Your Honor, sir, I will be speaking.
Teka, iya.
Yes,
Ikaw
sir.
pa yung nag-take your oath? Briefing lang?
Go ahead, Chairman ako.
Yes, please answer my question, Madam.
Mr. Chair, Your Honor, sir, I will be speaking in my capacity as during the time of the Duterte administration, sir, I was the chief of police. I could say, in all honesty, sir, there was no quota given to us. Let's say, in a week, dapat meron kang arrest na 5 o may killed ka na. There was no written whatsoever, even verbal instruction to us to come up with a number of arrests in a week's time. However, probably, sir, some of the station who were really at the height of their career, sir, would like to impress their superiors and deliver some accomplishment. Probably, sir, the pressure is really there during that time to deliver accomplishment. But in all honesty, sir, yung quota, sir, there was no specific policy given to us, either written or verbal, sir. At least, sa personal kong experience, sir, as during my time as COP and even my time during provincial director, sir.
Thank you. So you only speak for yourself when you were a chief of police. Now, may I know, doon sa implementation ng O-Plan Double Barrel, the first aspect is O-Plan Tokang. Hindi ba kasama doon sa pagre-report ninyo, sa accomplishment report, yung mga nagiging chief of police or station commanders before, ay kailangan may matok kayo na number of houses?
That is correct, sir. When we speak, sir, of the number of tokhang conducted, sir, the chief of police were required to submit reports. How many houses, how many users were visited and undergone tokhang, sir. That I could confirm, sir.
And totoo ba yung kwan na sa isang buwan ay dapat meron kayong 50 households na matokhang?
Sir, during my time, wala, sir, ganun, sir, na dapat. Depende po kasi yun, sir, eh. Kasi, sir, yung magiging subject po, sir, ng house visitation will depend on the number of personalities reported by the BADAC. So, hindi po talaga yung efforts na i-exert, sir, ng particular station probably might differ doon sa ibang mas marami personalities. So, wala po talagang specific numbers given to us po, sir.
Okay. Granting without accepting your proposition or your statement, is it not also correct na yun po ay basehan ng pagpropromote po ninyo ng inyong mga tauhan?
Like I said, Mr. Chair, Your Honor, earlier, sir, na nandun yung pressure definitely, sir, for the station commanders to deliver accomplishment. So probably, sir, that really triggers the intention to really deliver accomplishment in terms of arrest and probably of some...
So indirectly, nagkakaroon po sa kaisipan ng inyong mga membro, ay nagkakaroon po ng kaisipan na dapat ma-reach ko yung quota. Kasi nagpapasikatan na sila, nagpaparamihan. Would that be correct?
Possibly, sir. Possibly, sir.
Possibly. So, Honorable Barbers, that I think answers your two issues raised.